can find it in stores. Some tailor-made for you, girl. It's like, oh, you don't wanna miss this. Feels like it's Christmas. Oh, it's a holiday, but I'm open.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a wig review that is going to be featuring this unit from SHEIN. But first, let's get into some new goodies that SHEIN has came out with. This is like a wig kit. I'm going to link everything down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. They have their own wax stick, their own lace tint mousse. This is in the shade light brown, so I don't know how well it's going to work for me, but we're going to find out. And then they have a bold hold. Okay, SHEIN, I see you. I see you. And it also has a lace wig bond remover. I might try the bond, I'm not for sure. And then the other goodies are just, you know, essentials that you will need when you're going to apply your unit. So let's get into this unit that I have. Inside the box is just regular packaging. It does come with a user guide and wig caps. And this is the wig. I got a little curly bob. Y'all, I gotta do stuff other than curly hair, but I'm a curly girl. What can I say? So I'm definitely going to co-wash this wig before I apply it right now. But this is how it looks straight out of the package. Okay, SHEIN. I believe this is 14 inches in a 4x4 closure. If I'm not correct, I'll annotate it on the screen, and I'll also have all that information in the description box. Inside the cap, you have a comb in the back, a comb on each side, and a comb in the middle. And then you have an adjustable elastic band, which I love. And I love that they have it sewed on. That way, the wig is just extra secure.
You can find it in stores. Some tailor-made for you, girl. It's like, oh, you don't wanna miss this. Feels like it's Christmas. Oh, it's a holiday, but I'm open for business. Bottle of that rose. I can't wait to celebrate. You feel like it's your birthday. I can't wait to celebrate. Private after party. I can't wait to celebrate. All over your body. It's like the 4th of July. Head between your thighs like fireworks. Light up the sky. Don't need reservation. You're my invitation to this love making. It's a celebration. How you doing? Hope that you're fine, but I know what you got in mind now. Got me feeling like you're the seagull, I can't leave you alone. Take a shot of this here Patron, and it's gonna be on. VIP done got way too crowded. I'm about to end up calling it a night. You should holler at your girl, tell her you're shaking the scene. Pull off beep beep shotgun in a GT with me. She said, oh, I'm ready to ride. Cause once you get inside, you can't change your mind. Don't mean to sound impatient, but you gotta promise, baby. Oh, you can find it in stores. Some tailor-made for you, girl. It's like, oh, you don't wanna miss this. Feels like it's Christmas. It's a holiday, but I'm open for business. Bottle of that rose. I can't wait to celebrate. You feel like it's your birthday. I can't wait to celebrate. Private after party. I can't wait to celebrate. All over your body. It's like the 4th of July. Head between your thighs like fireworks. Light up the sky. Don't need reservation. You're my invitation to this love making. It's a celebration. doing. Hope that you find what I know what you got in mind now. Got me feeling like Joe the Seagull, I can't leave you alone. Take a shot of this here Patron and it's gonna be on VIP.
Hey y'all, so it has been 3 days later, and I want to come back in and give you guys an update to close out this video. Once again, SHEIN has thoroughly impressed me with their affordable yet quality unit. I believe this retails for around like $80, and as you guys seen, I did cut about 2 inches off. So if you want to look like this, I do suggest you get the 14 inches. That way you can customize it to your liking. Everything was pretty much ready to go. I only had to trim off a little bit of lace. So it's a glueless wig, but I did use the glue because I wanted to try it out. And y'all, like, this wig on. And I went to the gym yesterday and I was sweating and it did not lift. So I'm impressed by SHEIN's, I think it's called Bolt Hold. I believe that's the name of it, but it's a glue. And it was my first time using a glue. And so far I'm impressed. I will probably take this wig off tomorrow. But a 3-day hold, no lifting. I would say it's worth a try and it's worth your coins, especially if you have like a vacation coming up or something and you want to wear a wig and you don't want to be bothered by having to take it off and put it back on or using got to be glued or anything. Though I did use my Even spray to melt everything in after the glue, and I feel like that just gave it extra security. So yes, let me know how you feel about this wig. It doesn't shed like that at all. Yesterday I didn't do anything but just fluff it out and I rocked out. So it is a lower maintenance curly wig, which I love. I just did water and leave-in conditioner. Well, actually I did rinse out conditioner, but I left it in. So basically like kind of like a wash and go kind of method. And this is how the curls are looking. I really am impressed by this wig, and it's perfect for everyday wear. So if you guys are interested in checking out SHEIN, if you haven't already, girl, this sweater is from SHEIN. My whole little outfit is cute and it's from SHEIN, and I just love SHEIN. Clothes, household items, y'all, SHEIN got everything. And they wigs are definitely a go as well. So don't sleep on SHEIN wigs. I hear a lot of controversy about whether you should buy from SHEIN because SHEIN is considered a cheap website. Around here we love to save a coin. I'm gonna shut up rambling, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to leave me a comment down below in the comment section and let's chat it up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.